Hi, I'm Glenn, your average Joe fisherman who likes to do some live streaming as well as, some videos on YouTube. And my go-to GoPro has been the Hero 8. And the main reason is because it's waterproof and has a really good microphone. So I don't have to have any external microphone and whatnot. And so what I noticed though is when there's wind, it doesn't work so well. You hear that wind noise. But I was able to use this little wind muffle or cover, and I've been able to continue using the GoPro, get some really good sound quality, at the same time not worry about the wind. So I'll just do a real quick demo with and without the little wind muffle thing here. Here's the test. I'm going to start out without the little wind microphone cover. So this baby right here. And I'm just going to turn on this fan on high. All right, and that's how it sounds with a bunch of wind blowing on it. And now let's go switch it out. I'm gonna turn on the fan. Okay, I got the fan on, and I'll just do a little quick countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. All right, I think that's enough. Give you an idea how it sounds. We'll go check it out, and you decide which one works better. I definitely like the GoPro 8 and its microphone, and with this little wind cover, I'm able to continue using that microphone and enjoy even in windy conditions. All right, do give it a try. GoPro 8 and this little wind muffle.